Well, went out this morning, got some cucumbers. Got me 6 cucumbers. So I thought I'd show you what I do right now. You know, probably won't get any more for a couple more days. So what I'm doing with my cucumbers is making quick pickles. And figured I'd make a video and show you how I do it. So I'm going to take these, chop them up. On the cutting board, I got kosher salt. I got this strainer that fits in this container, you can see. So first thing I'm going to do, cut them all up to size, put them in this strainer, kosher salt them real good, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge for like, I don't know, maybe an hour or something. Go do some other stuff, forget about them. First thing I do when I'm cutting them up, cut the ends off. Then you end up with a little pile over here. I just throw it in the compost pile, you can eat it or whatever, and then cut them up about that size. Cut them up however you want. You can do spears or whatever. You can use whatever. Use my pocket knife. But cut the ends off and then slice them up. Now that I got them cut up, putting them in right here. Salting them. I use kosher salt, but I think you can use table. These pickles stay in the refrigerator, so they're not really getting like preserved pickled. Trying to do one hand there. Just cover them with salt real good. And then take them. And once again, just a reminder, you got something to drain inside of a bowl to catch the water, because it's going to dehydrate them. It's going to suck the water in, some of the water, not all the water, but it's going to suck the water out. So that way whenever you put them in your brine, they're real thirsty. Boom, skiddly down. Let those sit for a little bit. Alright, to put it simply, a brine is half vinegar, half water, and then whatever you want to flavor it with. I put half vinegar, half water in a saucer with about a tablespoon of pickle and salt. Let that boil, and then you put everything else in your jar. And I'm going to add some fresh dill out of the garden, a couple little jalapenos. They're not really the size, you can see right there, and 3 garlic cloves, and black peppercorn. While I wait for my brine start boiling over here, I got my garlic peeled, my peppers, took the stems off of them, and got my cucumbers out. See, they've been browning, so you see all that water in there. That's what the salt does, it pulls all that water out of the cucumbers. Don't seem like a lot, but it makes a big difference. Now I'm going to rinse these cukes, cold water. Just rinsing the salt off. And then I'll pack them in a jar, which I have all my jars cleaned up, and a lot of them are just recycled. Like, I think I'm about to try a spaghetti jar from the store. I got them all cleaned up, ready to go for the season. So when you're packing your jar, you don't want to just pack it like all one at a time. Throw some cukes in, you know, throw your pepper in, and kind of layer it as you go, so everything's kind of evenly distributed amongst the cucumbers. And then pack it in there nice and tight. I don't know if you can tell, but see, I put one. There's a garlic clove at the bottom. There's one about halfway up, and then one closer to the top. That way, kind of evenly distributes it through your jar. And now we wait. You know it's getting close when your nose starts burning. It's close now. Alright, we got it boiling, so I'm going to take my jar over here and set it in the sink. I'm not going to film me pouring it in, but you fill it up at this point. I don't want to make a mess. And there it is. Filled up. I just got to put the lid on it. Where'd I put it? Ragu can. And there's our finished product. You can kind of bang it around and get the bubbles up. I let it chill on the counter for a little bit, and then put it in the fridge. You're good to go. Now this is not, you have to put it in the fridge because I didn't do it I didn't water bath it or anything. So these would just go in the fridge and you eat them pretty quick, but they'll last a few months in there, I think. They won't last that long because they taste so good, but you're good to go. Quick pickles. If you do think that you're going to be doing a lot of canning, I recommend going and picking up this book at Walmart. I got mine at Walmart for like $8. It's worth its weight though, because it's got everything you need to actually can stuff. If you want to just get into it and try it, I'd recommend just doing like refrigerator canning because it keeps it safe, so no bacteria grows or anything. It's not that hard. But if you want to actually get into it where you can store stuff for a whole year, then I would recommend getting that book and reading through it, because you got to pressure can beans. You can't just water bath it. So that's not what this video is about. This video is about refrigerator pickles. So y'all take it easy out there.